In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Telegram's sensitive content filter on mobile and web. Telegram hides sensitive content by default to keep users safe from adult or graphic media. If you're comfortable viewing that material and want unrestricted access across chats and channels, you can disable the filter in your settings. Once you change this, it applies globally to your account, so you won't have to repeat it for every chat or device. Let's start on the mobile app. Open Telegram and tap the three-line menu. On Android, you'll find it in the top left. On iOS, look for it in the bottom right. From there, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll until you see the Sensitive Content section. Toggle Disable Filtering on. That's it. As soon as you enable this, previously hidden photos, videos, and posts should become visible anywhere they appear, including channels and public groups. If you use Telegram on multiple devices, this change is tied to your account and will carry over automatically. If you don't see the sensitive content option in your app, there's a simple workaround using Telegram Web. Open a browser and go to web.telegram.org, then log in with your number. Once you're in, click the three-line menu, choose Settings, then Privacy and Security, and open Sensitive Content. Check Disable Filtering. The setting will sync to your mobile app and desktop clients, so you won't need to repeat this on each device. A few quick tips to make sure everything updates right away. After changing the setting, restart the app to refresh your feed. Closing and reopening usually does the trick. Even with the filter disabled, you might still see per chat or per post warnings in some places. That's normal. Just tap the warning to view the content if you want to proceed. And if you ever change your mind or share your device with others, you can return to the same menu and re-enable filtering for added safety. To recap, the mobile route is the most direct path, and the web method is a reliable backup if the toggle isn't visible in your region or on your device. Either way, once you disable filtering, the change is global and synced, so you can browse without repeated prompts. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.